Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy Online Classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 7, HTML2, create table and order list exercise. State true or false. Question first, the align attributes is used to specify the alignment of a table. Yes, this statement is true because in a table, align attribute is used to specify the alignment of a table. Question number second, the default value for both cell padding and cell spacing is 4. This statement is false. Question number 3, the img src is an empty element. This statement is true because img src is an empty element and empty tag. Question number 4, order list automatically start with the number first. Yes, this statement is true because when not specify the types in order list, automatically start from 1. Question number 5, a marquee display a moving text message on the background. This statement is true. Marquee display a moving text message on the background. Question number 6, a href tag is used to create a hyperlink. Yes, this statement is true. Href link is used to create a hyperlink. Question number 7, the default border color of a table is red. This statement is false. The default border color of table is red. This statement is false because border color by default black color. Fill in the blacks. Question first, here black portion is fill in the blanks. Question first, the table arrange data in dash and dash, row and column. You fill row and column. Question number second, dash tag is used to create a table tag. Option is table tag. Question number third, dash attributes specify the width of border of a table. Correct option you fill width attributes used to border of a table. Question number 4, cell padding create a distance between the edge of the cell and the content of the cell. You fill cell padding. Question number 5, dash is a highlighted text image that store the address of some other web pages of a document. You fill hyperlink. Question number 6, each row with an suitable beginning with the dash tag. Suitable beginning, then you are use tag tr, table row. Multiple choice question. Which tag is used to create an order list? The correct option is A. Second question, which attribute is used to set the border color of a table? The correct option is border color. Means there are 3 options: border color, cell spacing, border. The correct option A, border color. Question number 3, which attribute is used to change the style of bullet in a list? Which attribute is used to change the style of bullet in a list? Correct option is type. Question number 4, which tag is used to end an unordered list? Option A, close ul, close li, close ol. Correct option is end unordered list. Correct option A, this one, close ul. Question number 5, which attribute is used to set the background color of a row? Background color of a row. Correct option here C, trbg color. This option is correct. Question number 6, what is the default bullet type of ul tag? Default bullet type of ul tag. Option number B, disk. Disk is the default bullet tag. Answer of the following. Question number first. Define the term table. What are its uses? Tables arrange data in row and columns format and provide an attractive way to organize information. Table is maintained the data or information. Means tables arrange data in row and column format, provide an attractive way to organize information. Table is maintain the data or information. When you need to create table, then you create table in the form of row and column. Question number second. What is the significance to TR and TD tag in a table? Answer. This tag represent table row. TR means table row and table division. TD means table division. Question number 3. Differentiate between self-adding and self-spacing. Answer. Self-adding, here self-spacing. Self-adding. This attribute sets the margin within a cell. It creates a space between the edge of the cell and the content of the cell. But self-spacing, this attribute is used to specify the minimum distance between two adjacent cells. Self-spacing is used to specify the minimum distance between two adjacent cells, and self-adding is used attribute set the margin within a cell, create the space between edge of the cell and content of the cell. These are the difference between self-adding and self-spacing. Question number 4. What is the difference between border color and VG color attributes? Answer. Border color. The border color attribute is used to specify the color of a table. The default color of the border color is gray. Means border color attribute is used to specify the color of a table. In default color of border color is gray. Second one is BG color. This attribute is used to change the background color of the web page. BG color is used to a background color of web page, but border color is used only the color of the table. Question number 5. How will you create a link on a web page? To create a hyperlink, tag A या anchor in short form, tag is used. The href attribute of the tag A store the reference address of the document that is to be linked. The text that appear on the hyperlink is enclosed between the starting tag and ending tag. Means you write here like this: href is equal to document name or linking another HTML page, and hyperlink text with close A. This is to link a web page. Even you also provide a link of a Google, Facebook, yeah, any website. Here you type www.facebook.com, then when you click a hyperlink text, then you move directly to Facebook or Google page. Question number 6. Question number 6. Differentiate between the order and unordered list. Order list. The order list is used to display the list of items in a specific order, and Order list indent and numbers each item in the list. It means order list is when you create any list, when you write in a sequence form, it's called the order list. And unordered list is indents each item in the list and add the bullet against each item. Means this list is used when the items are not to be displayed in the any particular sequence. Unordered list means when you write any items and you do not write any item in a particular sequence is called the unordered list. Thanks. Hopefully you understand all exercise of this lesson. If you face any problem, call me. My number 8840156170, and each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.